Hey guys, Mr. Baines here to teach you guys about the greatest common factor. And with me is my sweet puppy, Adia. She may be barking throughout the video, because that's what she does. I'm using a new tool today called Google Hangouts, and I'm learning how to use it too. So let's do that. Alright, you should be able to see my screen now. Alright, so I'm going to click out of here. Open this up. Alright, I've put together a little PowerPoint for what we're doing today, learning about greatest common factor. First thing I want you to do is add this to your table of contents. Then you're going to turn to page 3 and write the title of these notes at the top of the page. Okay, you can pause this video at any time you'd like. I'm going to tell you to pause it at certain times and then just play it when you're done with the task. This is our learning objective, and these are our learning targets for today. Learning target. Alright. Well, language objectives, really two big words we're going to talk about today. Greatest common factor and prime factorization, which is just the method we're going to use to solve greatest common factor problems. First, we got to talk about factor, which is the word in greatest common factor that you probably don't know. So factors are numbers that can be multiplied together to make another number. So 4 times 5 equals 20. That makes 4 and 5 factors of 20. 9 times 1 equals 9. So both 9 and 1 are factors of 9. 3 times 3 equals 9, so 3 is also a factor of 9. This is how we're going to make our vocab from here on out. So what I want you to do is write factor right here, the definition of factor here, and then you're going to draw a picture or write a mathematical equation in there. Okay? Go ahead and pause it and take a second to do that. Alright. When you've finished with that, I'd like you to turn to your index, and you're going to add it to your index on page 3. This is another example of a tip chart if you'd like to go back and fix yours. You can pause it on this if you'd like. So when you add stuff to your index, you turn to your index, you find the letter you're looking for. So factor starts with an F. So I'm going to write factor here and page 3. Write it kind of small because we could end up having a bunch of words that start with F in our index. So write it kind of small. Next, you're going to play a game against a computer. I will post the link to this in the description of my video. And then you could also Google search factor game, and it's just the first link. So however you get to this is fine. Alright, here we go. It takes a second to load. So you get to play around with this game. You choose a number, and the computer is going to pick a number. They have to find all the factors. So I picked 16. It found 1, 2, 4, and 8. So I got 16 points, but the computer ended up getting 12 points. Okay, and then it says 12. So I have to find all the factors of 12. 3 and 6 are factors of 12. Okay, then it'd be my turn. Maybe I want to pick 15. All it could find was 5. Then it picks 14. I pick 7. So I won. Alright, you get to play this a couple times. You can also change this, make it bigger. Alright, 4 is the smallest you can do. So you can make it, and 100 is the biggest you could do. Okay, that's a hard game. So play that for a while, and then come back to my video. Welcome back to my video. Pretty simple. Next, I'd like you to answer these questions. So first thing you need to do is draw a data table with all the possible ones, so 1 through 16. What are the factors of those? What's your score on that? And then what's the computer's score? No, so not partner score, but computer score. Okay, so make a data table with 1 through 16. What are the factors of all of those? What's your score and what's your partner score? Next, what number is the best first move? So pick which of all of these is the best first move, and then tell me why. That's important. Okay? Next, answer which question or which number you pick would make you lose your first turn, and why. Then number 4, what would be the worst first move other than one that makes you lose a turn? Write all of your answers in your notebook. Okay? So pause it, and then we'll move on. On your table that you started in question 1, circle all the numbers that only allow the computer to score 1 point. So only get a 1 on the first move. Okay, these numbers all have a special name. What are they called? Are they good first moves? And explain why. Number 6, draw a triangle around all the first moves that allow your partner to score more than 1 point. These numbers also have a special name. What are these called? And are they a good move? Please explain. Write all your answers to in your notebook, pause it, and then we'll continue. Welcome back. Greatest common factor is the largest whole number that goes into 2 other numbers. So if I had 2 numbers, 9 and 6, the largest whole number that I can multiply to get both of these numbers is 3. All right, so the factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. The common factors are 3 and 1, but 3 is the greatest common factor, so it's the GCF. So please make a tip chart of this. Go ahead and pause it, make your tip chart. Welcome back. Next, you need to add this to your index. Add that to your index right now. Go ahead and pause it. Welcome back again. Okay. We're going to use prime factorization to find the GCF, the greatest common factor. All right. First, you need to factor the numbers, or divide them into smaller numbers. Okay? And then circle the factors that are common, and then all the common factors get multiplied together. And this will help us find the GCF. For example, 12 and 16. So I divide this into its smallest forms, all prime numbers, 3, 2, and 2. And then 16, 2, 2, 2, and 2. There are 2 2's over here, and there are 2 2's over here. So these are common between both of them. So my greatest common factor is 4. You could also use the staircase method. So you could use this or this. Both will get you the correct answer. So you take this number divided by 2, gives you 6, divided by 2, gives you 3, divided by 3, gives you 1. You're left with 2 times 2 times 3. 16 divided by 2 gives you 8. 8 divided by 2 gives you 4. 4 divided by 2 gives you 2. And 2 divided by 2 gives you 1. So I'm left with 4 2's. There's 2 2's over here and 2 2's over here. So the greatest common factor is 4. I just get to use 2 of the 2's. I want you to try this one on your own. I'm going to show you both methods. Okay, and you can pause it whenever you like. Welcome back. Let's show you how to get the answer. Make sure you tried it first. Here we go. So I found 36 is equal to 3 times 3 times 2 times 2. All right, and then 90 was equal to 3 times 3 times 2 times 5. So one number is different there, so this is our greatest common factor, 3 times 3 times 2, 18. You could have also done it staircase way. If you want, you can try that right now. Everyone's going to have a different method that works best for them. Okay, so same method. All right, same answer, different way to get there. Go ahead and pause it. You can try this one either way. Actually, I would like you to try it both ways, and then you can figure out which one is easiest for you. Go ahead and pause it. Welcome back. I hope you've tried it. Here's what I came up with. All right, so here are our prime numbers that go into 60 and our prime numbers that go into 72. These are our common ones. So 12 is our greatest common factor. Same method, or staircase method, excuse me. All right, same answer. 2 times 2 times 3, or 2 times 2 times 3. It doesn't matter which 2's you use. All right, they're the same. This, a lot of my slides were gotten off of this website, so I'm putting in a works cited. I did not plagiarize. I am allowed to use this for use of students and teachers. All right, next thing I want you to do, you need to post this. You need to prove to me that you completed this assignment. So go to your Google Classrooms. All right, make sure you're logged in as yourself. I'm in period 1 right now, but if you have me for period 2 or period 3, that's fine. It's posted in both. You'll have this. Every student is going to get a copy of something I already created. So you'll click on this, and this will pop up. What you need to do is write your name, the date, the period. Okay. Then you need to answer all 5 of these questions. Do the work in your notebook, but you can write the answer in here. Then please, if at all possible, please take a picture of the notes in your notebook and get it onto your computer. Then you're going to click Insert, Image, find the image on your computer, and then double click it. When you do that, it'll show up in here. Okay, and you'll be done with that, and you can delete this whole thing. Couple ways you can do it. Take a picture with your smartphone, email it to yourself. Take a picture with your smartphone and use it on Dropbox. I believe if you take a picture of it, you can put it straight onto Google Drive, and you can use it there. Or you can use your computer's webcam to take a picture. After you're finished with that, and you're all done with this page, click here. And you'll click in here. Instead of this, you will see a page that says that has a blue turn-in button. Click the blue turn-in button, and you're done. When you get to class tomorrow, we're going to have some more questions that we're going to try and get through as a class, and you guys can work together, or you can ask me for help. I will see you next time.